Need to rotate your screen on Windows 11? I'll guide you on how to do it. Stay tuned for a quick and easy ways to customize your display orientation. On your Windows 11 desktop, right-click on any empty space, then select Display Settings from the list of options. Go to the Display Orientation section. Click on the button next to Display Orientation to open a drop-down menu with multiple options. Choose the desired option from the list: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape, Flipped, and Portrait, Flipped. Once you pick one of the options, your screen will rotate in the orientation you chose. Click on Keep Changes on the pop-up menu that asks you to confirm the changes. Click on the Windows icon from your desktop taskbar and open the Settings menu. Click on System, then navigate to Display. Look again for the Display Orientation section, then open the drop-down menu and choose any model you need. To save the adjustments, click on the Keep Changes button. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.